So I'm here, it's your boy, the Jamaican trucker. I'm here, the Kenworth W900A from the 70s, a very old truck. I'm not 100% sure of the engine it has in it currently, but I'm guessing it's a Big Cam 400 because I know it's a Cummins. As you can see, it has a Hendrickson suspension. Just a little view from the front here. Looking good for a old 70s truck. Kenworth emblem there, and also there. Here's a look at the interior. "15-speed transmission was previously a 13-speed overdrive. Here's a Jake brake switch, parking brake and trailer brake, and tractor brake and all those stuff. Very clean machine for its age. I'm out.